Hey guys, we're going to be talking about, this is my RAV4, this is the rear door. We're going to talk about this thing and what slides into it. One of the biggest, not really the biggest, but it's a fail point on this car is the weight of this rear door and the tire on the back and what it does in regards to noise. Now, Toyota foresaw that the weight of the door was a problem, so that's why they put this on, because up here is the latch for the door. Well, this is supposed to be a stabilizer to help with the weight. Well, if we move to here and we zoom in, this right here is what that thing slides into. And you can see I've already tried doing one of the Band-Aid repairs to get the noises to quiet down. Well, that didn't work. A little while ago I was doing research on there's got to be a better way. And funny enough, I came across on Amazon a no-name company that actually made a part that is supposed to take care of it. Back when I found this, there were no reviews on it, so I just didn't think of it. And then people started using it and getting good reviews, so I bought one. And also, I bought a new one of these, but we'll get to that in just a second. The tools that you'll need is a T30 Torx and a 10mm socket. And we should be able to follow the outline of this thing to be able to put the new one in right where it needs to go. Okay, here's the part number for this item. Just tight is enough. All right. That's self-explanatory. To be honest, later I might replace those bolts with new ones. Now, if we line these up, we can finally see why this thing is better than the outgoing model. This is actually contoured to this, whereas this just slides in it and it's completely loose. So if we take this and put it in there, see the opens? Now let's take this. Look at that. No side-to-side movement. I'm just doing a preliminary test. I'm going to try to shut the door and see if it slides all the way in. Alright. And then I'll tighten it all the way. Let's see what happens. But there it is installed. You get new screws. And yeah, some random no-name company, never heard of them before, decided to come out with that. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. Now please note, this can work for more than just the RAV4. It works with any of them, any Toyotas that has the rear door set up like this. And I'll provide that list in the description as well. But yeah, it feels good to make a DIY video again. I've missed it. Now I'm getting sappy again. I'll do an update video about that stuff later. I just really wanted to get out here and do a YouTube video. So this is 84 Hachi signing off.